Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video basically I will share my trading profits which I have earned in the financial year 2021-22. So it was 130% returns I got in this, and the profits were more than 1 CR. Actual figures I will share when I start with the video, and I'll share my profit screens as well with you all. So the main purpose of this video is not to show you what profit figures I have gained, or something like which I wanted like to show you like this is the return I have. But the main purpose of this video is share my learnings, what I have done in my trading, so that maybe it can help you with your trading as well. So the strategy which I followed, which gave me that consistent profit, because I was able to be consistently profitable in all the 12 months. I don't have a single drawdown month. And so basically my purpose only is to share my learnings. Don't go by the figures which I am just showing in the my profits, because that profit comes from experience, from doing it, and from your discipline. So many things are involved in it, but just try to get the learnings what I am sharing in this video. So let's start the video then. Yeah, to start with the video, so this is the topic for today: how I earn 1 crore plus profit for the financial year 2021-22. So the topics which I'm going to cover in this video is, first of all, like how did I manage to be consistently profitable all these 12 months? What are my trading achievements, and then what is my target for financial year 2022-23, and I will do some screen sharing about my accounts profit. So I'll just show you what all profits do I have in my all the accounts where I do trading. So starting with like how I managed to be consistently profitable all the 12 months. So if I talk about profitability, so it's not about always like you have whenever you do trading is not about that you don't have anything set or any target. Because if you don't have any target when you are trading it, then it obviously it means like you are gambling. You don't know what you have to achieve at the end of the month, what is your goal. So for every work which you do, you should have some target in your mind, and same goes with the trading also. So trading also have some kind of target. So I have given myself a target of 8% a month. So what does 8% a month means? So basically I will be focusing on a weekly 2%. So if I focus like on a weekly 2%, that means I can easily achieve 8% a month. So that's all my profit is. That's all my target is. So targeting, then how can I achieve this 2%? Then coming to this 2%, I can achieve in 1%. I will try to cover in all the non-expiry days. Apart from this, what I basically do is I trail my profits or shift to safer strikes. What does it means? That once I have achieved my profit, that is once I have achieved my profit of 1% on the non-expiry days, that is combining, or 1 to 1.5% on the expiry days, I will trail my profit. So I am not going to give back my profits to the market, or I will shift to safer strikes. By safer strike I mean I will shift to some position or create my position in certain way that I don't lose much and I don't lose what I have gained. And then I will be setting fixed percentage target for a day. So I basically, that's what I mentioned, like if I set 1% target for kind of 3 days or 4 days, so it comes out to be like 0.25% for a single day. So I will set that kind of target percentage for a day, then reducing the position based on market condition. So I will keep on reducing my position. So this I have posted many times on my Twitter timeline also, like on expiry days itself, like I keep on reducing my position also, as per the markets are quite volatile, and I have already gained profit for that particular day on the expiry. So I will just keep on reducing the position also based on the market condition. The next come for me, booking a profit or target is more important rather only focusing on risk management. So this is very important. booking a profit. So you must have seen most of the trader or most people saying that, yeah, we can see a big profit on the screen but not able to book it, because that's what I feel. What I do, if I see I have set a profit target, I will book it. I will not keep it okay, my already my risk is under control, so I'll just wait for it. No, if I have achieved my target, I will book it. So for me, that's what I mentioned. Booking a profit or target is more important rather only focusing, because if I know my risk is like 0.5%, so I have some target also in mind, and that target I will focus on, and I will keep booking that profit. What is my trading achievement? So my trading achievement was around, if you see, my return for this year, as I mentioned, was around 130% returns I got this year, which was quite good. And I was the achievement which I have is like I was consistently profitable in all the 12 months. So I don't have a single drawdown in any of the months, and I didn't have a drawdown of more than 2.5% for a week. So this is the maximum drawdown which I have, that too also for a week. So that's why I mentioned I was profitable for the 12 months. So none of my months were having any drawdown. It was the maximum drawdown which I saw was 2.5%, that too also for a week. Now if we see my targets for 2022-23 is, I want to limit actually my maximum loss on non-expiry day to 0.5%. So why have I set this kind of target? So this target is because if I can limit my loss on the non-expiry day to a 0.5%, that means the more I will be able to minimize my loss, the more my profits will increase automatically. So this is something which I generally post also on my Twitter timeline frequently, that the more you are focused on minimizing your loss, your profit will increase automatically. So this is my target for 2022-23, that I will limit maximum loss, that on expiry day it will not be more than 1%. And in case of any black swan event, that is if I'm carrying overnight positions and all those, because I carry overnight position, I am a positional trader. So in case of any kind of black swan event, I will be able, like my capital, I shouldn't be in a position where I lose more than 5% of my capital. So that's what target I have set for myself, and I'll build my system in the same way where I can manage it in the same way. Because when your capital grows, you have to manage your risk in that way that you don't lose your capital in case of any kind of event. Next, now I will share my screen profits as well with you. So let's dive in there. Yeah, so this is my profit in one of the accounts. So I trade in multiple accounts. So I'll just show you. I'll just refresh the screen again to load it. So if you can see, I have just traded like around 6 months in this account, because I trade in multiple accounts. So I just keep on shifting my funds also. So this is from 1st of April, if you can see. 1st of April to 31st of March. So if I do, so you can see 54 lakh is what I earned in this account. Let me take you to the other account also. So this is my other account. So if you can see, from 1st of April to like 31st of March, I was able to earn around 52.74 lakhs in this account. So in this I traded for from April to March. And then let me take you to my other account again. So this is my one more account. So in this I traded only 5 months. So I put my capital here. This is also a very small account. So in this I was able to book around 24 lakhs. And there is, so as you can see in this account, so you must be thinking like the December looks quite a number of days in red. So I'll just show you that still I was able to book profit in the month of December. So I'll just select for December, 1st of December to 31st of December. Go. And yeah, I was able to book around 9.38 lakh also in the December month. So quite so that's what my all the months were quite profitable. So this is for the December, and then we again go to from first April to 31st March. Yeah, so total overall this is 24 lakhs. So as you can see, I have traded only for 5 months, but still I was able to book profits, good profits, and all the days were in green. Apart from this, I have 2 more accounts. I'll not be sharing the PNL for that one because that's not with Zerodha, and I'm not sharing it because I'm not sharing even on my Twitter as well. But in that accounts I have booked around 50 lakhs of profit, so it comes out to be around 2 cr for this year, close to 2 cr, not exactly 2 cr. So this is like around 130% of my capital. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. And one more thing I would like to say, that don't go by the profit figures here. I just want to share my learnings, like how I have actually able to do it. And it's just not like a one day thing where I have just I came to the market, I booked profit. It's my I have already experience in the market, doing it for a quite long time, I know. And that kind of experience, that kind of thing have brought me to gain this profit. So don't just go by the profit percentage, profit figures, but try to get the learnings from this, that what you can do in your trading strategy to build a consistent profit. As you can see, the profits which I have shared right now, like those are like I was profitable in all the months. So for whatever months I traded in a single account, that could be 5 months, 6 months, I was completely profitable. And that was the main point I want to highlight it here. I set a target for myself, I try to achieve it, and I try to minimize my loss, and then in that way I was able to book around 130% for this financial year. Yes, of course I'm targeting for more, but my main focus is the points which I have mentioned above on the loss. I'll just try to minimize it as much as possible. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. Hope you like this video, and do let me know in your comment section if you want to see anything more on this video. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.